This is the portable car mounted vacuum cleaner that I purchased from Temu. High suction, dual purpose in small, mini, and I got it in green. I did purchase it on March 10 and it has to go through customs, but I received it on March 20, so not bad. And this is the box and this is the contents. You got the mini vacuum and then you got the extension and the brush and then the cord to the car. So I connected it to my car, making sure it works, and it did. It's very light, for the price. Of course, you won't expect it to be like heavy. It's plasticky, and I tried it at the back of my car because it's kind of same rock that I needed to vacuum out. And with the brush, that's what it is. It's not, of course, it's not the same as the vacuum that we use at the gas station. So it's not, doesn't have that much suction in it. Um, it's for temporary use, just for if quick cleaning. You can't use it for like really cleaning your car because it only works like that. You will need like a stronger vacuum. Temporary or like a spray vacuum. It does take, you notice that it does take. It's starting to clean, but we get used to the regular vacuum at the gas station. But if you really try harder like that, it will work. I did use a brush and the brush keeps falling off. You can push it like really tight to make sure it holds, but eventually, if you notice, you just have to spend more time. It starts cleaning. Again, for the price of it, don't expect like a quick clean, but I did clean up the middle. Now I'm gonna clean. It's the bottom of the seat. So it does. It goes to hard to reach places. Just make sure if you're using the brush, you want to make sure you push it in tight. So see, it picks up. The small ones, like the crumbs. So basically it works with like the crumbs and the small ones that you want to suction like hard, you would use you know the high-end vacuum. But again, temporary, it connects with your car, and with patience, and you have to spend more time, you do see some good result. See that? See, I'm gonna try it on the car, the seats as well, on and then on the side of the car where the dust goes. It can pick up a leaf, but it doesn't go through. And you just have to have patience, and it has good review in Temu, and I like that I have access to it right away if I need to. Quick clean. But this is the first use of this vacuum, so this car vacuum. So I'm gonna do another review on the second time. So let's see how long this will last.